After we sprayed a couple coats of primer, we are trying to repair and find any blemishes on the body, and we're wet sanding everything, getting it ready. After sanding down everything, car should look like this. You get rid of all the extra putty, and it's gonna be ready for paint. We're gonna be spraying the base coat on this wide body Mustang. As you can see, we're trying to do our pattern to make sure the gun's ready for spray painting. One of the things that I like to mention and share with people is that we actually um, are self-taught. We developed skill to start painting of our cars after many disappointments, paying body shops to paint our cars. We decided to start painting ourselves, and right here my dad's actually helping me paint all my cars, but we actually are self-taught. We've never been trained or taught by someone else to do these, so we actually practice in our cars, and we learn every day as we go. On this part of the video, you can see where we started to spray the clear coat, so the car starting to look pretty shiny. We do 2 to 3 coats of base coat, and after that we try to do 3 to 4 coats of clear coat. Again, for the whole car, after we spray the whole car, we like to let it set for a couple days to be able to do a flow coat. We want to make sure that we can get a super shiny finish on this car, and it's looking pretty good. As you can see, you have to take the time to cover and mask every area that you don't want exposed to the clear coat. Right here you can see on this part of the video where we have a finished product. It's really shiny. I believe we're gonna pull it out of the shop so we can wet sand after drying for 2 to 3 days, and we're gonna be ready for the next clear coat.